Hi and welcome. I'm George Pierce. It's great to have you here. This video is about my big giveaway. Occasionally I give away a free internet marketing gift. This giveaway is going to benefit both internet marketers, affiliate marketers, online marketers, digital marketers, and so on, as well as YouTubers. My giveaway is a free ebook. It's called Crushing It with YouTube, and the content is going to help you to get started with YouTube and to maximize your channel. If you're not using YouTube to drive traffic, Crushing It with YouTube is going to show you exactly what you need to do, the steps that you need to take in order to get started. It's going to take you step by step through the process of setting up your channel, and it's even going to help you with making your videos. I'm going to cover a few more details shortly. First, allow me to share something with you that will make you feel good. I'm passing this on because it worked so well for me, and I'm sure it's going to work for you. If you want calm in your life, if you want inner peace, you're going to be able to find it by following this advice, and this is advice from the Dr. Phil Show. And this is what you and I have to do in order to achieve inner peace. According to Dr. Phil, the way to find inner peace is to finish the things that we have started. So I looked around the house to see all the things that I had started but not yet finished. So before I left, I finished a bottle of Merlot. I finished a bottle of Kahlua. I finished a package of Oreos along with a pot of coffee, the rest of the cheesecake, some saltines, and a box of chocolates. And I cannot tell you how good that made me feel. So if it works for me, I'm sure it will work for you. And allow me to share one more thing that will also help you to feel good. This is about an Airbus. It's an Airbus 380, and it's flying across the Atlantic, doing about 500 miles an hour at 30,000 feet, just kind of slow, just steadily going across the Atlantic. And suddenly a jet fighter approaches, and he slows down and flies alongside of the Airbus, and he radios over to the Airbus pilot. Airbus, kind of boring, isn't it? Take a look at this. And then the jet pilot flies straight up. He breaks the sound barrier. He flies straight down. He does all kind of whirls and twirls. He pulls out of his dive just before he enters the ocean, and then he comes back on up to the Airbus, and he's flying alongside again, and he says, "What do you think of that?" And the Airbus pilot, of course, said, "That's very impressive, but watch this." So the pilot flies alongside for the next 5 minutes. Nothing happens. 10 minutes. The Airbus is still flying along in a straight line. Almost 15 minutes later, the Airbus pilot says, "What do you think of that?" And the jet pilot says, "What do I think of what?" Nothing happened. The Airbus pilot says, "I got up, I stretched my legs, I walked to the back of the aircraft, I went to the washroom, poured me a cup of coffee, and had a chocolate donut." Moral of the story is, when you're young, speed and adrenaline seem important. As you get older and hopefully wiser, you learn that comfort and peace are more important. And I've heard this called SOS. Slower, older, smarter. So if you want to feel really good, perhaps it's time to slow down and enjoy the ride. Back to my big giveaway, which will also make you feel good. There's no strings attached, no email required. This is 100% free. This is going to include the ebook. It's also going to include e-covers. It's going to include a sales page. It's going to include a squeeze page. It's even going to include resale rights. And what resale rights means to you is that you can not only use this for your own personal benefit, you can use this as a giveaway yourself. So if you wanted to use it perhaps to build your list, if you wanted to use it as a surprise, as a bonus, you can even resell it and keep all the profits. And to access my gift, the URL is https://cutley, capital C R U S H dash capital Y-O-U, capital T-U-B-E. That URL again is https://cutley, cutt.ly/crush YouTube, capital C-R-U-S-H dash capital Y-O-U, capital T-U-B-E. If you like this video, if you're finding value in this video, and I certainly hope you are, do me a favor, give it a big thumbs up, turn that like button black. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. Do that right now. And allow me to invite you to join my channel. Hit that subscribe button and ring the bell. That way I'm going to be able to let you know whenever I publish a new video. Thank you for watching. Allow me to wish you much success. I am rooting for you. I'll see you in the next video.